Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to create staff members. First, let's go to the Manage tab and then to the Trainers tab. As you can see, your admin profile was already created by your account executive. To add another staff member, click on the blue plus sign icon here. This is now opened and you can see your Create Your New Staff slide out. As we discussed in our previous video, there are a number of different types of roles you can select for your staff members. For this demo, we are going to create a trainer profile. First, you must select a type from the drop-down. Then you have to choose the category. If you want to offer different categories of private one-to-one sessions, this is where you can do so. This is covered in further detail on our Service Credit Pack webinar. You have to put in the first name, the last name, the phone number. Obviously, that is not a real phone number. It's very important that the number that you put in is unique to the profile. If the person does not have a phone number, you can add any number here as long as it is unique. You can add a description for your staff member. You can upload an image as well. The image must be less than 1 megabyte and also less than 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimension. You can put the email address. Again, the email address must be unique to the profile. Then you have to add a password. The password must be at least 6 characters long. Then we have the bookable function. This is for trainers who are available to be booked for one-to-one sessions. If you offer this service to clients, make sure to watch our next video on bookable appointments for your trainers. Thanks for joining us.